Best gas range oven. A new gas range is serious investment. It's also a heart of the kitchen. Gas power ovens and stovetops heat up faster and cost less to operate. In addition, many people believe gas ranges gives you more precise temperature control while cooking, making it easier to sear, grill, and simmer your food. From the best performance from stovetop to ovens, these are the best gas ranges to buy in 2021. Number 1. Café CGB500P2 MSI 30 inches gas range. Although it's a bit pricey, we are convinced that the Café is the best gas range for your money. To give you lots of flexibility, it has 5 burners, including a high-powered one for quick boils and an oval center burner for a griddle, included with the Café. If you like asking Alexa and Google Assistant to do things for you, you can add preheated the oven to their course, as this model works with both voices assistants. Overall, this is the best gas range you can buy. Number 2. Samsung NX58H 5600SS gas range. The Samsung NX model gas ranger is a simple, well-designed gas range that offers plenty of cooking options, thanks to a large 5.8 cubic foot oven and 5 burners. The center burner is oval to accommodate the included griddle. Great for making pancakes, frying bacon, and other uses. We also like the design of this range with large dials up front and easy to use control panel. Number 3. GE JGB635REK SS sealed burner range. If you're looking for gas cooking and are on a budget, the best gas ranger for you is the GE. This low-cost model has less cooking power than more expensive options. The oven is 5 cubic feet, which is plenty large for a Thanksgiving turkey, and it has only 4 burners, so there's no center griddle. This GE comes in a variety of finishes, including black, stainless steel, or white. Number 4. Samsung NX58K 7850SS gas range. Gas cooks who needs a very flexible oven will find a lot to love in this one. This one of Samsung's fancy Flex Duo models, which means that it has one large oven that can be divided into 2. If you need to cook 2 things at once, let's say broil some burgers and bake a pan of brownies, simply insert the diverter and you have 2 ovens. Each of these can run at the different temperature and has an individual timer. Number 5. Bosch HGI 8056UC Stainless Gas Ranger. The slide-in range gives you a upscale look of a built-in unit, while the Bosch 800 series is a step up in price from most freestanding models. It's a lot less expensive than a custom-fitted or professional-styled range, and is still significantly upgraded when it comes to aesthetics. It has heavy-duty constructions, a glass panel, and metal control knobs. As you could expect at this price, the oven comes with 3 racks and is self-cleaning. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.